sorry. I understand birds like freight are very beneficial to farmers.
Well, that's right. Yeah, they eat a lot of insects. As they're walking around stirring up the mud, here he comes! There you go. And it's very beneficial to help keep the bald eagle. Thank you. Everyone, I'd like you to meet Hope.
A bald birdie?
Well, the bald eagles aren't actually bald.
I think bald eagles are absolutely majestic.
They're so inspiring too. You know, not long ago, bald eagles were on the endangered species list. Yeah, but then through conservation efforts, all of us helped play a part in the species recovery. And so now I am so happy to say that today the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
Wow! We can really make a difference.
Hey, you know, you're right. Just by making a conscious effort to help protect this planet and all of the beautiful creatures that live here with us. Yeah, Russell, we can make a big difference.
Thank you, Hope. Benevolence, joy, and humility. I call this beautiful creature Naveen, which is a very noble name. Not only is Peacock Moor a kingly, but Moor is also the name of my Wilderness Explorers Lodge.
What a beautiful birdie! A very, very beautiful birdie.
Wow, this has been a great bird adventure.
Hey, and did you know there's literally thousands and thousands of bird species all over the world? You really don't have to go that far to find them, right? So many birds are found in your local parks, at home, even right in your own backyards.
Russell, smile for you. Now go explore.
Wow, a new camera. Thanks.
Hey, check it out, a Toko toucan.
That's a cool bird.
Look at all these other birds too. A spectacled owl with Adam, a tabraxo.
Hands up, you've got a new friend, Russell.
They like me. They really like me.
I too can run around like the birdies.
Oh, now look who's flying like a bird.
Hey, adventure is out there.
Oh, so many birdies. I want them all.
Thanks for showing us so many birds.
Our pleasure.
Well, we're glad all of you can visit with our feathered friends here today.
Like Target Russell, we can have our own adventure any day. Nature and all of its wonderful creatures all around. All we have to do is look up. Right, Russell?
That's right. The wilderness must be explored.
Now let's go and have a wonderful next adventure. Namaste. Goodbye.
Bye.
Come on, check the birdies.